The Automation Anywhere Collection Bot Assistance for Salesforce can automate any workflow step within Salesforce, eliminating front and back office silos and allowing employees to spend more time on higher value tasks. Let's see what happens when automation is deployed for Lockbox. The bot runs on a predefined schedule and looks for any electronic payment files in the specified secure FTP location for processing. First, the bot compares the payment record details against Salesforce to find a matching account and invoice. Following predefined logic rules for underpay, overpay, and non-matches, the bot can be configured to apply payment to the oldest invoice, newest invoice, partial payment, or to create the payment on account for manual allocation. Let's start the demo looking briefly at the Lockbox settings page, where the application can be set up and customized for business requirements. Here you can configure access and authorization to the systems. You can set up how the automation behaves in scenarios where the invoice is not found or the payment amounts are not matching. You can also define the location of the file, the scheduler interval, and which users should receive notifications. A complete log for Lockbox payments is updated with each application of payment, including any errors for payments that may need to be reprocessed manually. To showcase how a bot handles exceptions or inaccuracies in Lockbox, we are going to process a document that contains a few cells of erroneous data highlighted in red. The scheduled automation triggers according to defined settings and downloads a copy of the payment posting file. Each payment is read in, parsed, checked for errors, and then processed against Salesforce invoices according to the defined control settings. Payments are allocated to the invoice header or invoice line depending on your AR settings, and the payment status is set to posted and logged for auditing requirements. Payments that aren't matched are created against the customer or house account for manual allocation. You can see the results along the top of Lockbox Manager dashboard. All 19 payments in the file have been processed for a total of $3.1 million in receivables applied. There were 7 underpayments, 4 overpayments, and 1 failed payment requiring human intervention and approval. The Lockbox Payments dashboard displays daily processing details, quarterly roll-ups, unallocated payments that require manual attention, as well as a tabular view of all payments processed. At the bottom of the dashboard, we have a transactional view of items such as file record, payment number, account, invoice number. Let's look into invoice 0447. We see it is paid, and the balance is 0 now. Using Automation Anywhere bots, AR and cash application teams are able to focus on value-add activities and offload error-prone, time-consuming activities to automation. Automate your collection processes with Automation Anywhere and Salesforce, and improve user experience and facilitate collections through automated credit checks and other critical processes. Automate repetitive work, remove errors, and manage varying workloads. Improve front office metrics with minimal infrastructure requirements and downtime.